In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start an LLC in Louisiana in 2025. So you're ready to set up your LLC in Louisiana? That's fantastic. And here's a little tip for you. If you click the link in the description or the pinned comment, you'll find yourself right on a special page where you can kick off your LLC entirely for $0. Yes, you heard right. You only need to cover the mandatory state fees. No hidden nonsense. Make sure to check out that link and let's get your business up and running without any delay. Now, let's dive right into the process and walk through it step by step. First, head over to tailorbrands.com. Once you're there, select Louisiana as your desired LLC state. Click on Get Started and you'll be prompted to enter your business name. Type it in, hit Try this name to see if it's available, and then click Next. As you progress, you'll encounter a few questions that aim to personalize your business setup experience. Questions like, what will your business offer? Be it physical goods, services, leisure and hospitality, original content, technology and software, or something else, and what stage your business is currently at, whether it's just an idea or already in operation. Feel free to click Next after each or skip any questions if you prefer not to answer right away. You'll then be asked about your business launch timeframe, your business industry, and whether you intend to hire employees in the upcoming year. Each answer helps tailor your business blueprint to your needs. Answer these questions as best as you can, and remember you can always use skip for later consideration. The setup wizard will also inquire about your annual income goals for the business, your operational address by simply entering your postal code, and how your business will serve its customers. Whether online at a physical location or primarily on the go, your answers are crucial for a bespoke experience. For the final touch, you'll be presented with optional features, such as joining a free 12-week coaching program to learn about running a successful business and options related to LL features, like expedited filing and professional kits that may suit your corporate needs. Once you have made your selections, hit Next to move forward. With all your tailored choices confirmed, you'll encounter the pricing summary. The light LLC plan costs you nothing. However, Louisiana's state fees are approximately $105. You can opt for further add-ons like operating agreements or expedited services, depending on your preferences. When you're ready to finalize the setup, click Continue to Payment. You can choose to pay through PayPal or a credit card, whichever option suits you best, and hit Pay. And just like that, your Louisiana LLC is officially in motion. Don't miss out. Click the link in the description or the pinned comment for that special LLC setup page. Cover just the state fees and get your Louisiana business formed today.